Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy call options on Etrade full guide. Open your E*Trade account, confirm options approval, then navigate to options and enter the underlying symbol. Choose expiration date and strike price, then select buy to open and review estimated fee and data. Double-check order type, size, and total cost, and confirm the trade once you understand the risk and potential reward. When choosing a call option, think about time, strike, and implied volatility in practical terms. Look at the chain, compare available expirations and strikes, and align them with your thesis. Remember, contracts control 100 shares each, so price moves are magnified and fees matter. Consider starting small, using limit orders, and imagining both best-case and worst-case outcomes before placing your order to stay calm and focused. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical trading guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds music and useful voice reminders while you research trades, making your desk routine more enjoyable. I've linked it and other deals in the description below, so take a look if interested and snag a discount. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Placing the order is straightforward, but attention to detail prevents mistakes. Enter contract symbol, choose buy to open, set quantity, and pick a limit price if you want control. Confirm order duration, check estimated commissions and buying power impact, then submit when ready. After execution, monitor the position and set alerts for price moves or time decay so you can adjust or exit based on your plan and comfort level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.